Well, Hurricane Debby is gone, but she left us a nice little surprise. She snapped one of our nice pine trees in half. So we've got some cleanup to do. I guess I'm gonna have to cut that tree down to get that top out of there, because it's right across the walkway that my wife installed between the neighbor's house, and that's kind of dangerous. So we're gonna have to take care of that pretty quickly. So my plan in cutting this tree down, since the base is already leaning one direction, I think I'm gonna cut there and hope it pulls the top out. Well, there you go. Seems to work. Now the real work begins, cutting this thing up and hauling it to the back. She's down and 3/4 of the way stacked. Shout out to Kelly, my neighbor, and Christy for coming out in here and helping me stack this stuff up. Tomorrow we'll hit these big logs, get it ready for burning. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of work. We got to cut down. We have it, you okay? Yeah. We have it stacked. Gonna have to wait till winter to burn it because I want a north wind. I don't want the ashes to blow up by the house or my neighbor's house. Anyways, hey, not trying to make light of, we just got a glancing blow from Hurricane Debby. A lot of people got a lot of flooding, a lot of water damage. All we did is get a couple busted up trees. We cleaned it up. Let's pray for the people that are still dealing with the realm of Debby that went through. We're gonna have a nice snapper dinner tonight. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Hurricane Debby dinner. We got baked snapper, yellow rice, and my neighbor brought over his homemade clam chowder. Oh yeah.